Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you guys what I received from the swap that I was in for the Valentine's slash love theme mini albums with Rosa Kelly. So I shared with you guys what I made and what I sent. So here is what I received. And I've already opened it, but I did keep it in the box here. So I received a really beautiful album. I'm just going to pull it out here. It's so pretty. This is the album, but I also received some treats here, I believe, here. Wrapped in this red, so I'm just going to open it up. This is just a quick share. So these are the items that I received here from my swap partner. Okay, so she sent these craft metally laser cut wood shapes. Y'all know I love butterflies, so this is really pretty. So thank you very much for that. And she also made me a card, a really pretty card here. And it says, "To my swap partner, thank you for swapping with me. This was a fun swap. I love working on the album. I hope you like it. Happy crafting. Happy Valentine's Day 2021. Stay safe." And this is from Scrapday. So thank you very much for that. And she also sent these pretty, looks like burlap flowers with a pretty pearl, flat back pearl in the center. Some pink and some white ones. Really pretty. Thank you so much. And also these canvas doilies. And I love this. This is so cute. And I actually think I am going to use one of these along with one of these little wood veneer butterflies in my next project. I'm planning on making a journal using the paper collection called Diamond by Prima, and I think this would actually go with that collection as well, so I'm thinking that's what I want to use that for. And she also sent these gem icons, these little heart-shaped faceted flat back gems, and these are by Forever in Time. Thank you very much for these. You can never have enough bling. She also sent some of these Sticko theme stickers. And these have the months with the little animals. And I think these will be perfect for a baby album. So I'm going to hang on to these for a baby album. She also sent this Craft Smart stitch journal, which would definitely be perfect for a traveler's notebook. And yeah, so perfect. And then looks like she also sent some of the pieces from the paper collection she used, and this is some really nice sturdy cardstock, and I just love the images, and I will definitely be putting this paper to use. So I'm just going to flip through and show you guys. Really pretty. I love this paper collection. I'm going to have to look this up. Really pretty. I love the feel of the paper, the cardstock. It's very sturdy. This is what you call heavyweight. Thank you so much. She sent me all of these. I love that brick. This would be really pretty in a wedding album. It's really pretty. This one. Here's this one with the little hearts that says "Be Mine." Here's another one with the brick. I love the script. Oh, look at this. Really pretty. Shows the couple standing behind the bouquet of balloons. These really pretty flowers. Now, this would be great on a card front. And this one right here. You could actually cut these out individually and use these on card fronts as well, or use it as a background. So thank you so much. I really appreciate all of the goodies that you sent me. And now let's get into this beautiful album. That's why I love doing these swaps, because you can take some great inspiration from other crafters. Like, look at this. Look at this. So I didn't want to miss anything. So I went over to Scrapday's channel, which I will leave a link to her channel in the description box below, so you guys can go and check her out and subscribe to her. I went over and took a look at her channel to see if she had a show and tell about this album, and she did. So now I kind of won't miss anything when I go through this with you guys. So this front cover is a beautiful shaker. She has these pretty clusters of different flowers and lace flowers. She has these little pearl sprays mixed in. She has some paper flowers with some flat back pearls. This is a fabric flower, just really pretty. I love the image. She cut out from the paper and she actually backed that on some glitter cardstock and popped it up. She used just a whole array of sequins and little beads and like the little seed beads, and made this like window shaker. And what she did, she thought it all out for this album, and I love this album. I am going to save this album so that I can use it specifically for myself and my husband, and I'm just going to fill it up with pictures of us. So this comes off. So this is magnetic. Look at that. It's so pretty. She used some like a ruffle trim and some black some flat back bling going all around this. She really paid attention to details. Like, this is so beautiful. She put lace behind it. Just really pretty. And it goes this. And when I watched her video, she said that she did this to be detachable so that when you're opening the book and you're going through the book, you won't smash the front in the flowers. So I thought that was really pretty and a great idea. So I'm going to set that to the side. So this is what it looks like without the front topper. And then let me show you guys this. I'm not sure what material she used on her binding, on the cover binding, but this is like a material that she covered the album in. It's just really pretty. And I'm gonna be redoing my craft room one day, and I want to put a shelf up just for my favorite mini albums, and this is gonna go on that shelf. So I love that. I've never covered one of my albums with a fabric, but that's a great idea and just great inspiration to pull from. So when you open it up, let me just move some stuff out of the way. Okay, so when you open it up, the inside front cover, she has these little flat back hearts. They're faceted. She has made a little frame, and you can stick a picture right here. She has ribbon going all around. She has cut out these beautiful hearts, and she has put lace. Like, this probably took her a long time to complete, but you can just tell she really likes to make these albums. I mean, just she paid a lot of attention to details with this album. Okay, so the first page, it opens up like this. She used that pretty paper right there. And this flap opens up like this. Okay, it's just a lot of room for pictures. This opens up, and that opens up to that pretty paper. So that is how that is. And each one she put a pull out, and she she used this this trim on the edge of the pull outs, which is so pretty. And that just slides back in. So then you turn it over, and this is a really pretty page as well. So this is a heart that is magnetized that you can pull off, and if you wanted to stick a small photo in the center, you could do that as well. But this opens up like an accordion pull out, and this side also, and it has this really pretty paper here. Yep. And then they just fold back in like that, and that goes right in place to keep it closed. So that is so pretty. I mean, I love it. I haven't really been crafting much lately, but I do plan on getting in here, and I have some projects that I want to work on, and I'm thinking I'll probably do that this upcoming week. Since it's spring break week, I still have to go to work every day, but I'll have the evenings. Instead of getting online and do schoolwork, I can definitely get some projects in. So this is this page. It has this pretty picture, the image of the couple there, the music notes, the pretty flowers down here, that brick in the background. So this opens up like this, and this is a large area right here for photo. And so then this is also a flap that comes out. You can put a photo here and here, and also here, and this folds out. And then this, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but this is actually lace. She covered that in lace. It's so pretty in person. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it's very pretty in person. So that closes. Another pull out here. This goes over this way, and this is cool too. She made this pretty little closure out of this beautiful trim, and she made this cute little heart out of felt. She glued some flat back pearls all around, and she put a magnet in here. So this is magnetized to keep this closed. So I watched her video. So this opens up, this pulls down, and these open out for small photos places. Yeah. Again, this is ideas that I've never thought to do in my albums. So it's always great to you know, participate in these and get ideas and see how other people are crafting. So this is one of those little slider pages, which I've also never done in one of my albums, but it's very neat. And this is another way to utilize small pictures, or if you're doing cropping, you can crop out your favorite pieces or parts of a photo and put on the small areas. So this says love will see us through. This slides. You can slide this over. So you slide that over like that, and these open up like that, and you push that down and you slide it back over to open the other side like that. So that is so cute. And yeah, so I'm being very careful not to mess up anything, because you just kind of got to make sure they're down before you slide them over. Yep. And that just slides back to the center, and it holds them all down. Again, another pull out there, and then you turn this over, and this is a flip out here, really pretty. And she added that pretty lace on top of the black, very pretty. And then this opens up for one of those kind of like, it's like a floating page for pictures or photo spots. So pretty. Look at that. they're kind of like floating on top of the page. So you can put a photo on each one of those spots, and then it just closes back flat. So that's really, really pretty. She really put a lot of work into this book, and you see how it lays flat because she had the idea to make the front cover detachable so that it doesn't get messed up. So I just think that's a brilliant idea. Okay, so this is a one of those, I think you grab and pull, one of those waterfalls that you grab and pull, which I've also there it is. I've also never made one of those, so it's just very pretty. And then this opens up like this. Large space here for photos. This opens out. Nice space here for photos. Just a really beautiful album, and I wouldn't change anything at all about this album. It is so pretty. I love it, and it's gonna go up on my shelf like I said. And so this actually opens up. This next page, it's like a pocket page with the flap down, and she had these photo spots placed in there. So, and this one is a booklet that she made, and you can just put some little 4x6 photos in there, and this can flip up and you can put that in there, and then like that, just so pretty. And then this is a gatefold page. This comes off, also magnetized. She added a little heart on top of there, glitter, and so this opens up to another waterfall. So this book has so many places for photos. I love it. And you know what I was thinking when I first saw this, because I had opened it the other day, I just didn't get a chance to film that for you guys, but I love this paper so much. And she left this side blank, and I'm thinking maybe I'll put my photos on this side and keep this beautiful paper showing. Yeah, that's what I might do for this. I love it. It's so pretty. So thank you so much, Scrap Day. Thank you for all the goodies. Thank you for the card. The book is beautiful. I love it. And oh my God, you put so much work into that. Thank you so much. And I really hope you like my album. It is not as extravagant as this is. But I hope you do like it. And that is all for this share, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel and you would like to subscribe, click the link to subscribe for more videos from me. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.